Hey Stitching Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are modifying the Clarisse Bralette. I really love creating patterns, but I love even more exploring how many different versions you can make from just one base. Because one pattern should never limit you, it should give you the options. The original design is a double layer modal bralette, but today I am making a single layer version with the lace at the neckline and fold over elastic underarms. I will also compare modal and cotton jersey because they behave very differently, especially when the lace is added. So let's jump right in. We will start with the first cotton jersey version. For this style you will need 55 by 55 centimeters of your main fabric, then 1 meter of your lace trim, 1 meter of underbust elastic, 1 meter strap elastic, 1 meter fold over elastic, then 1 classic bra closure, and 2 sliders plus 2 hooks. So take your Clarisse bra pattern, place it on the fabric and cut 1. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we also need 2 rings, but I'm pretty sure I wrote it down before, so I just have it in my mind now. Then flip the pattern piece and cut second one mirrored. Now take your lace and we will pin and baste the lace onto the cups. So I think I will place mine like this and then pin and baste the layers together. And do the same also with the second cup. Okay, so now we can move to regular sewing machine and stitch the lace along the round edges. Set your machine to zigzag and stitch the lace along the curved edges. Then remove the basting stitches and trim the fabric underneath. Take your fold over elastic, set your machine to zigzag or 3-step zigzag stitch and finish both underarms. Don't forget to leave the fowy tail. It's about 5 centimeters here at the top. You can gently stretch the elastic while sewing. Then we can trim the seam allowance. Fold the elastic and stitch the underarm again. Now turn your cups to the wrong side. Take your ring and baste it onto the fowy tails we left at the cup top. And secure them with small zigzag. Then remove the basting stitches and trim the fowy. Also on the other side. Now we can join the main pieces with the underbust elastic. Don't forget to check if your closure matches with your back center. I think I will be like this. Okay. Now I will start basting from the one edge. And I will baste the whole piece onto the elastic. Then you can baste the second piece the same way, but from the other edge. Again, don't forget to check your closure, because this is really important to sit perfectly. Now we can baste also the second cup. Maybe I can pin it first from the other side, because it's quite harder than like from my side here. So I will pin it first and then I will baste it. Okay. And we are crossing the cups already. So I'm really looking forward to try this piece on. I think it will be really romantic bralette. At this point we can also baste the strap loops. You can find the strap loop placement right here on the paper pattern. So I will mark mine and also on the other side. Now we can easily baste the strap loops in a place. Now we can sew the underbust elastic, the main pieces, and also the strap loops using zigzag, 3-step zigzag or cover stitch machine. I will use the 3-step zigzag today. Now we can remove the basting stitches. Then baste and sew your closure. So now we can remove the basting stitches. Now we can thread the straps. And stitch them right here onto the top ring. Then stitch also the second edge of the strap. And the last thing we need to do is to secure the strap loop here in the underarm area. So you can use just a straight stitch or zigzag, it's up to you and what you prefer. And our Clarisse bralette with lacy neckline is ready for the spring. Here you can see both versions of the Clarisse bralette. Both fabrics look beautiful, but they behave a little differently. The cotton jersey version is a bit easier to sew and keeps its shape nicely. The modal or bamboo knit, on the other hand, is softer and adapts more naturally to the bust and the body. I made the red model version separately, so you can find a short version of the process on my Instagram tomorrow. So the choice really depends on the look and feel you prefer.